Not all calories are created equal. Different foods go through different metabolic pathways in your body. They can have vastly different effects on your hunger, hormones, and the number of calories you burn. Here are the 20 most weight loss friendly foods on earth that are supported by science. Avocados. Avocados are a unique fruit. While most fruits are high in carbs, avocados are loaded with healthy fats. They are particularly high in monosaturated oleic acid, the same type of fat found in olive oil. Despite being mostly fat, avocados also contain a lot of water and fiber, making them less energy dense than you may think. What's more, they are a perfect addition to vegetable salads, as studies show that their fat content can increase carotenoid antioxidant absorption from the vegetables 2.6 to 15-fold. They also contain many important nutrients including fiber and potassium. Apple cider vinegar. Apple cider vinegar is incredibly popular in the natural health community. It's often used in condiments like dressings or vinaigrettes, and some people even dilute it in water and drink it. Several human-based studies suggest that apple cider vinegar can be useful for weight loss. Taking vinegar at the same time as a high-carb meal can increase feelings of fullness and make people eat 200 to 275 fewer calories for the rest of the day. One 12-week study in obese individuals also showed that 15 or 30 milliliters of vinegar per day caused weight loss of 2.6 to 3.7 pounds or 1.2 to 1.7 kilograms. Vinegar has also been shown to reduce blood sugar spikes after meals, which may have various beneficial health effects in the long term. Nuts. Despite being high in fat, nuts are not fattening as you would expect. They are an excellent snack containing balanced amounts of protein, fiber, and healthy fats. Studies have shown that eating nuts can improve metabolic health and even promote weight loss. What's more, population studies have shown that people who eat nuts tend to be healthier and leaner than those who don't. Just make sure not to go overboard, as they are still fairly high in calories. If you tend to binge and eat massive amount of nuts, it may be best to avoid them. Whole grains. Though cereal grains have received a bad reputation in recent years, some types are definitely healthy. This includes some whole grains that are loaded with fiber and contain a decent amount of protein. Notable examples include oats, brown rice, and quinoa. Oats are loaded with beta-glucans, soluble fibers that have been shown to increase satiety and improve metabolic health. Both brown and white rice can contain significant amounts of resistant starch, particularly if cooked and then allowed to cool afterward. Keep in mind that refined grains are not a healthy choice, and sometimes foods that have whole grains on the label are highly processed junk foods that are both harmful and fattening. If you are on a very low-carb diet, you will want to avoid grains as they are high in carbs. But there is otherwise nothing wrong with eating whole grains if you can tolerate them. Chili pepper. Eating chili peppers may be useful on a weight loss diet. They contain capsaicin, a substance which has been shown to reduce appetite and increase fat burning in some studies. This substance is even sold in supplement form and a common ingredient in many commercial weight loss supplements. One study showed that eating 1 gram of red chili pepper reduced appetite and increased fat burning in people who didn't regularly eat peppers. However, there was no effect in people who are accustomed to eating spicy food, indicating that a certain level of tolerance can build up. Thank you guys for watching my videos. This was the third episode of the most 5 weight loss friendly foods on the planet. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Subscribe my channel for the next episode. Thank you everyone. See you in the next video.